Hi everyone, I've got some sad news. My treadmill of almost 20 years died on me just the other day, and I'm used to doing it at least once a day. So it's a huge loss for me. But we are moving, and I don't want to have another big purchase right now. And until we get settled, this is going to have to do and take place of my beautiful treadmill. This is a One Two Fit mini treadmill. It's on Amazon for about $400, give or take, depending on what your location is. I am not affiliated with this company, at least at the time of this video. So let's unpack this and see what we got. Let's get started right now. The box is probably the hardest part, opening up and getting rid of all the material, but it does come fully assembled. The only thing that you have to do is put in the batteries. Oh, it's on wheels. That's awesome. But we're going to take it out of the sleeve here and give it a whirl. Very easy to move. Extension cord goes in the top. There's a switch there as well to turn it on. Let's plug it in and try it out. Here we go. Here goes nothing. So there's a display on top here. It's counting down 3, 2, 1. There we go. It's got a timer and a speed here. I'm increasing the speed. That's 3. It's got a little tether here. You can put that on your wrist, perhaps. I feel very steady on here. I feel secure. I'm about 140 pounds. I don't feel like this is hindering this machine in any way, shape, or form. I'm used to having handles on my other treadmill. I don't miss it, to be honest with you. I could be doing my computer work here at my desk, standing workplace station, which would be great. I could be watching television, my favorite movie, favorite program, and I'm going to be getting my steps in at the same time. This is going to suit me just fine. It's timed here. It's got a timer. Slowing it down here. Beautiful. It's pretty quiet. It's lightweight, it's on wheels. It can easily be wheeled underneath a couch or a coffee table, perhaps your bed if it's high enough. It suits me just fine. For the price point, it's gonna do what I need it to do in the time between now and when I move, and I can invest in a bigger unit. So, 2 thumbs up for this One Two Fit little mini treadmill. I recommend it. Thanks for joining me. I will see you in the next video.